Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, because QuickShare uses both for discovery and transfer speed. Once done, open the app and accept file, location, and nearby device permissions so the app can find peers. Next, pick what you want to send, tap photos, documents, or select multiple files with checkboxes. Doing this upfront prevents interruptions and speeds the pairing process, so you move straight into sharing without permission pop-ups later. With files selected, tap Send and watch QuickShare scan for nearby devices. It uses Bluetooth to advertise and Wi-Fi for transfer. Make sure the recipient has opened Receive so their device shows up with a recognizable name or avatar. This prevents accidental sends to strangers. Once you see the recipient, tap their entry to pair, review the item list so both sides agree on what's sent, and then press Send. This step synchronizes both devices and initiates the fast Wi-Fi transfer. As the transfer runs, watch the progress bar and make sure neither device sleeps or closes the app. Transfers complete faster when devices stay awake. When finished, the recipient should accept and find files in Downloads or their Files app. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then retry. Also move devices closer, within 1 to 3 meters, to improve discovery. If an individual file fails, resend just that item rather than the whole set to save time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.